What if I told you that the first 5 minutes of your morning could completely transform your entire life? That there's a simple ritual practiced by millionaires, celebrities, and spiritual masters that can attract abundance, love, and opportunities like a magnet? Well, stick around because I'm about to share the exact method that changed everything for me and thousands of others. Hey, beautiful souls, this channel is all about helping you unlock your infinite potential and create the life of your dreams. Today, we're diving deep into the most powerful morning manifestation ritual that takes just 5 minutes, but delivers results that will blow your mind. But before we jump in, if you've been struggling with manifestation or feeling stuck in life, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're about to turn that around right now. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever tried manifestation techniques before but felt like nothing was working? Maybe you've done vision boards, repeated affirmations, or tried visualization, but you're still waiting for that breakthrough moment? Here's the truth most people don't understand. It's not what you do, it's when you do it. Your morning state of consciousness is the most powerful time to plant seeds in the quantum field. Your brain waves, your energy, your entire vibrational frequency is primed for creation the moment you wake up. This 5-minute morning ritual combines 3 ancient practices that, when done together, create what I call the Manifestation Trifecta. We're talking about gratitude amplification, quantum visualization, and energetic alignment. And the best part? You don't need any special tools, apps, or equipment. Just you, 5 minutes, and an open heart. I discovered this method during my own spiritual awakening journey 3 years ago, and since then, I've manifested my dream home, doubled my income, met my soulmate, and helped over 50,000 people transform their lives. And today, I'm giving it to you completely free. The moment you wake up, before you even open your eyes, place your hand on your heart and feel it beating. This is your life force, your connection to infinite abundance. Now, think of 3 things you're grateful for, but here's the key. Feel the emotion. Don't just think the words. Maybe it's the warm bed you're lying in, the breath flowing through your body, or someone you love. Let that gratitude fill your entire being for 60 seconds. Now comes the magic. Still with your eyes closed, I want you to step into your future self, the version of you that already has everything you desire. See through their eyes, feel what they feel, experience their reality as if it's happening right now. This isn't just daydreaming. You're literally rewiring your neural pathways and sending a clear signal to the universe. Spend 2 full minutes in this future reality. See the details, hear the sounds, feel the emotions. Make it so real that your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. Finally, place both hands on your heart and repeat this mantra. I am aligned with my highest good. I am a magnet for miracles. Everything I need is flowing to me now. Say it 3 times, and with each repetition, feel your energy expanding outward into the universe. Then take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes. Congratulations, you've just programmed your day for success. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, does this really work? Let me share what happened with Sarah, one of our community members. She was struggling with debt and couldn't find a job. After just 2 weeks of this morning ritual, she received 3 job offers in one day and chose the one that doubled her previous salary. Or take Marcus, who used this technique to heal his relationship with his father after 10 years of no contact. The morning he started this practice, his father called him out of the blue. Your transformation starts tomorrow morning. I challenge you to commit to this ritual for just 21 days and watch your life change. And here's what I want you to do right now. In the comments below, write, "I'm ready," and share one thing you're manifesting. This declares your intention to the universe, and our amazing community will support you. If this video resonated with you, smash that like button, subscribe for more manifestation secrets, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, you have the power to create miracles. You just need to believe it. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, your dreams are not too big. You're just not thinking big enough. Until next time, keep manifesting miracles.